Ever tried sending money internationally and found yourself tangled in a web of complex codes and cryptic forms? Or maybe you've wondered why some financial platforms seem to speak a different language, especially when it comes to things like IBANs. It's a common frustration, and today, we're diving deep into a question that many of you have asked: does Bitwala offer an IBAN? Now, before we get to the heart of the matter, let's take a quick step back. What exactly is an IBAN? It stands for International Bank Account Number, and it's essentially a standardized, internationally recognized number that identifies a specific bank account. Think of it as a global address for your money. It's crucial for making and receiving international payments seamlessly, especially within the Single Euro Payments Area, or SEPA. Having an IBAN makes transactions faster, cheaper, and less prone to errors. So, where does Bitwala fit into this picture? Bitwala, for those unfamiliar, is a German-based financial platform that pioneered the integration of traditional banking with cryptocurrency. It's built on the idea of making crypto accessible and easy to use in your everyday life. You can buy, sell, and store Bitcoin and Ethereum, all from the same place where you manage your regular Euro account. This hybrid model is what makes it so unique and appealing to a new generation of users. Now, back to the big question. Does Bitwala provide an IBAN? The answer is a clear and resounding yes. When you open a Bitwala account, you get a fully fledged German bank account complete with its own unique IBAN. This isn't just a virtual account, it's a real bank account with a German banking partner. This is a game changer because it allows you to do things you couldn't do with a pure crypto wallet. You can receive your salary, pay bills, set up direct debits, and generally handle all your traditional banking needs, all while having immediate access to the world of cryptocurrencies. The beauty of this system is its seamless integration. You can transfer euros into your Bitwala account using your IBAN, and with a few taps, convert those euros into Bitcoin or Ethereum. Similarly, you can sell your crypto and have the funds deposited directly into your Euro account, ready to be used for everyday expenses. It bridges the gap between the old and new financial worlds in a way that few other platforms do. But why is this so important? An IBAN gives you legitimacy and functionality. Without it, Bitwala would just be another crypto exchange. With it, it becomes a powerful financial tool that gives you the best of both worlds. It means you don't have to navigate multiple platforms or deal with the headaches of converting crypto back to fiat through complicated and often expensive processes. Everything you need is right there, in one app, with a real bank account backing it up. So, if you've been on the fence about Bitwala, wondering if it's the right fit for your financial needs, the fact that it offers a genuine German IBAN should be a major point in its favor. It's more than just a crypto wallet, it's a modern banking solution designed for the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.